5 AI tools that can replace human work in 2026. By 2026, some jobs will disappear. It's already replacing human work, quietly. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can replace tasks humans used to do, and what this means for you. First is ChatGPT. This AI can write emails, answer customer questions, create scripts, explain problems, and even tutor students. Many companies now use AI instead of human customer support. 24 hours a day, no salary, no fatigue. Second is AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E. These tools can create logos, posters, thumbnails, ads, and artworks in seconds. Jobs that once took designers hours now take AI seconds. Thirdly is AI video tools like Pictory or CapCut AI. You type text, and AI turns it into a full video with images, captions, music, and transitions. Video editing is no longer a skill only professionals have. Fourth is AI copywriting tools like Jasper and Copy.ai. These tools write ads, sales pages, product descriptions, and social media posts. Many businesses now use AI instead of hiring copywriters for simple work. Fifth is AI agents like AutoGPT. These tools can plan tasks, research online, make decisions, and execute steps automatically. This is where AI moves from helping humans to working like humans. AI is not stealing jobs. People who refuse to learn AI will lose opportunities. Those who learn how to use AI will win. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, follow and subscribe to AI Made Simple. I break down AI tools so anyone can understand and use them. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future.